Hey guys, so what we have here is an unboxing video of my new printer that's going to be going along with my iMac. So with that being said, what we have here is something a little simple and something a little decent for the job. What we have here is a Canon Pixma TS202. And the box actually advertises what ink cartridges that this printer can use for compatibility. And I had to buy a separate cable, a USB-C to USB Type B adapter, which I'm gonna set that to the side. So without that further ado, instead of rambling on, let's go ahead and open this box. This camera right here. If the camera is a bit shaky, it's because I'm trying to open this box. Even though it's not ideal to use car keys as a box opener. But it seems to work like a glove. Typically a little getting started guide, which I know for sure not everybody reads. We'll set that to the side. There should be like some ink cartridges and a power cord. Just bear with me because I'm trying to do this one-handed. So I apologize if the camera's a bit shaky, so I got one half of the power cord, set that down. Got our ink cartridges, our 243, which is our black. And in here we have a 244 for the color. And we got the whole printer itself, which is way further down. Oh, you can get a software, which you could probably go online and download the updated drivers. So if I had to use this, if I had a computer with a CD drive, you can install the software, but they do have the software available on the Canon website. So let me put you guys down for a minute so I can get this out the box. Even though this will not be the greatest unboxing video. So this is the printer itself, so I'm gonna go ahead and get it assembled and I'll be right back. And I'm gonna also have another video on how to install the drivers if you're using a Mac, so I'll see you on the next clip. After getting the drivers and all set up, I did a little quick test page, and there's also gonna be a video of me installing the drivers, doing a little simple tutorial. So this is the test page it printed. So therefore it works pretty good. So I'm gonna get on here and add all the clips and get this video out with the magic of video editing, and hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.